Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 12.1 question number 7. Here you see question number 7 is identify like terms in the following: minus xy square, minus 4yx square, 8x square, 2xy square, 7y, minus 11x square, minus 100x, minus 11yx, 20x square y, minus 6x square y, 2xy, 3x. Let us find the like terms. Let us find the various like terms. Question number A. Question number A is right. The various like terms are like terms are number 1. Number 1, you see the first one is minus xy square, minus xy square. To find xy square, 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 minus xy square. This one here you see this term, right? That is 2xy square, 2xy square. This is 2xy square. That means we got two values. One is this one, minus xy square, and another one is 2xy square, right? Now number 2 here you see is number 2 is minus 4, minus 2 is minus 4 y x square, y x square, y x. Let us find this one, y x square, 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 y square, y 20. This one, see this one, this value and this value. Let us find this one, that this value and this value, right? It is minus 4 yx square and 20 and 20 and 20 x square y, because here you see the x square y is same as x square y. The power of x is 2 and the power of y is 1, therefore the powers are same, therefore these are like terms. Now 3 is, suppose this term is 8x square, 8x square. You will find x square term here, minus 11x square, this one. That is, you can find here that these values, that is, one is 8x square, one is 8x square, another one is minus 11x square, another one is minus 6x square. There are three terms, right? That is 8x square, that is 8x square, 8x square, and minus 11x square, minus 11x square, and also minus 6x square, also minus 6x square. These are all like terms. Now number 4 is, let us take the value of 7y. Here you see this is 7y and y is like this is y, right? 7y and y, these are also like terms, right? Now question number 5, this value we got, that is y and 7y, that is y, this one 7y and y, right? Next 5, next another verified minus 100x, right? The next one is minus 100x, minus 100, that is minus 100 minus 100x, minus 100x. You see this one, minus 100x. Let us find x, 100x, that is 3x, right? Minus 100x and 3x, that is 3x, 3x. If you underline this one, you will get that's minus 100x and also 3x, right? The next one is we will find the like terms, that is the next like term is that is minus 11yx, that is minus 11yx, yx. You'll find yx, this is xy, that is 2xy, that is 2xy, that is 2xy, 2xy. Here you see that y is multiplied with x and y is multiplied with x. The powers of x is same, the power of y is also same, therefore these are like terms. That is what you get, minus 11yx, that is minus 11yx, this value minus 11yx, this value, that is minus 11yx, and also 2xy. These are like terms, right? Let's solve question number B. In question number B, what you see this question number B. In question number B, you will see right here as in question. This is question number B. We'll find the like terms again. Like terms are right. Now first one here see is first one is 10 pq, that is this one 10 pq, 10 pq pq. We'll find pq. 10 pq means this one 10 pq. Let us find this minus 7 qp, that is minus 7 qp qp. Qp is same as pq because the powers of p is 1, the powers of q is 1, and this is multiplied, right? And another one is qp, this is this one, and also 78 qp, also 78 pq qp, that also 78 qp, right? That we got three terms, right? That one, first one is 10 pq, this is the first one is 10 pq, this term minus 7 qp and 78 qp, this is right. The next one is find the next value, that is next value is let us write the next value is 7p, right? That is 7p. Here you see this is 7p. Let us find another value for p. Another value for p is 2405p on this one, right? That means 7p and 24240.5p. These are like terms. If you underline the terms, then we'll get that this is, if you underline, then this is 7p, this one, this is 7p, this is 7p, and this one, that is 202405p, right? The next value we'll get, the next value is in 3 we will find the next like terms, right? In 3 we will find the next like terms, that is 8q. It is fine, this is 8q, this one is 8q. Let us find q. Q is 8q. 8q is 8q. 8q. This one, that is minus 100q, right? Minus 8q and minus 100q. 100q, right? Therefore, you'll get another two terms, and these two terms are 8q and minus 100q, right? Now 4. Now 4. Next one is minus p square q square. Let us see minus p square q square. This one, right, is minus p square q square. Minus p square q square, right? Minus p square q square. Let us find p p square q square, this one 12 q square p square, 12 q square p square, 12 q square p square, right? That is 12 q square p square, only two terms. Therefore we'll find that these two terms, that is minus p square q square and 12 q square p square, are like term, right? Now next one is 5. Next one is question number next one is let us write minus 12. Here you see the number is only minus 23 is there, right? Minus 23 is there. Here you see this one minus 23, that is minus 23 minus 23, and the number, another number is 41, and the number is 41. These are like terms, right? Is minus 23 and 41, right? Minus 23. Let us underline this line number also, that is minus 23 and 41, right? Next one we'll find as next one is minus 5p square minus 5p square. Let us find p square term. This is minus 5p square. Therefore 701 p square, 701 p square, 701 p square, right? These two terms, let us underline the terms, that is minus 5 p square and 701 p square, right? Next term is, let us find, that is 5, 6, 7. Next term is 13. Next term is 13 p square q, 13 p square q. This term, that is 13, 1 3 13 p square q, p square q. Another term is q p square, q p square. Here you see that the power of p is same, that is 2, and power of q is also 1. Therefore they are like terms, right? They are also like terms. If you underline the terms, the terms are, here you see 13 q square p or q p square. Here you see that is p square, here is also p square, it is q, it is q. That means they are like terms because the powers of p and powers of q is same. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.